So we're just going to start by centering around the field of the heart. We're going to collect ourselves all together here. There's a couple of modules coming in right away if you're familiar with modules. One of them looks like water utilization. It's a specific module for helping dehydration, and some of these physical patterns can be helped with that, certain ones here. Then there's a kind of a, it's all a lot of kind of a pale green and then a deeper green. The deeper green could be either Green Lantern, I've got my Green Lantern ring on here, which I use, or it could be Archangel Raphael as well. I think it is more Raphael because there's more here than, I mean, I can't do anything. I mean, I've told people this for years and years, but things can be done. So I'm just looking at the diversity here, starting to track things. My hands are in the position they're in because that's where they go to map these fields. It's not something I'm consciously doing. It's something they're doing. And I invite you to let go of your expectations about what it is you think you need, what it is that could change, should change. Those things, when we're focused on them, it's like watching a pot of water waiting for it to boil, or when you're younger, looking up at the clock and waiting for the school bell to sound. You know, you remember that? Looking up the clock and it's moving like one tick every hour, it looks like, even though it's 5 minutes till the bell should ring. Heart and mind alignment. There's, like I said, there's just a wealth of stuff here. So we're collecting all this together. There's a lot of physical things today. There's emotional things, Christmas things. Sometimes, and it's a little difficult in a setting like this, but sometimes silence is the most powerful alternative to some of this, because the more silent you can get inside, the more you can dissolve that sense of self versus not self. And that really does, to me, appear to be a large part of most, if not all, of our problems, is the idea that there's something outside of ourselves or even something within ourselves that's set up against something else. So it's this conflict resolution piece, which is very prevalent, of course, in fight or flight physiology, which kind of runs the machine that we appear to be. You can transcend the limitations and the parameters of the machine, but the machine thinking is all of your thoughts. All of your thoughts just about are machine-based. They're based on programs and programming. And to access beyond the program self, that's where the silence comes in. The silence can be found in the center of the heart, but not the physical heart, not even the heart chakra. There is a point of light. Ramana Maharshi described it as to the right here. Maybe it's described in some biblical text as the secret place of the heart or the secret place of the Most High. But it's an inner recess of light, which is all you might be.